The night it vanished. Imagine it's 11:47 p.m. The sky is clear, calm, familiar. You glance up at the moon, full, bright, dependable, and then it shimmers. Not like an eclipse, not like clouds. It distorts, like heat above asphalt. And in one silent, impossible moment, it vanishes. No explosion, no fragments, no flash, just empty sky. At first, most of the world doesn't notice, but astronomers do. Within minutes, observatories across Earth confirm something unthinkable. The moon is gone, not hidden, not moved, gone. And what happens next would quietly begin reshaping the entire planet. Because the moon isn't decoration, it is infrastructure. And Earth has just lost its stabilizer. The first 24 hours, the immediate shock, is psychological. Social media erupts. News networks scramble. Religious leaders speculate. Governments call emergency meetings. But physically, nothing catastrophic happens right away. There is no explosion because the moon's gravity is steady. It doesn't snap back. However, something subtle begins changing. The tides weaken. Right now, the moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans into two bulges, one facing the moon, one opposite. Without it, tidal forces immediately drop by about 75%. Coastal communities would notice unusually calm tides. Within hours, surfers would notice first, fishermen second. Ports would record abnormal tidal ranges. It would feel strange, but not catastrophic. Yet, because the real danger isn't in the first night, it's in what slowly unravels next. The oceans begin to die. Tides are more than waves. They are planetary circulatory systems. Intertidal zones, those fragile ecosystems between high and low tide, are among the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Shellfish, crabs, algae, microorganisms. Entire food chains rely on constant tidal movement. Without strong lunar tides, these zones stagnate. Oxygen circulation drops. Marine breeding cycles are disrupted. Coral spawning events, synchronized with the moon, cease. Within weeks, certain coastal species begin dying off. Within months, fisheries collapse in some regions. Humanity depends heavily on coastal ecosystems, and they are now destabilizing. But that's just the beginning, because the moon does something far more important than moving water. It stabilizes the planet itself. Earth starts to wobble. Earth spins on a 23.5-degree tilt. That tilt gives us seasons. But that angle is not naturally stable. The moon acts as a gravitational anchor, preventing Earth's axis from swinging wildly. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would gradually become chaotic over thousands to millions of years. It could shift between 10 degrees and over 45 degrees. Imagine polar regions facing direct sunlight for extended periods. Imagine deserts freezing under prolonged darkness. Climate zones would migrate. Rainforests would wither. New ice ages could trigger unpredictably. Our stable climate, the foundation of civilization, would dissolve. And although this takes time, the instability begins immediately. Earth's axial precession, the slow wobble of its spin, would accelerate. Long-term climate predictability vanishes. Agriculture, which depends on seasonal reliability, becomes fragile. Nations dependent on grain exports suffer first. Then global markets begin reacting. Civilization doesn't collapse overnight, but it starts destabilizing. Days get shorter here. Something most people don't know. The moon is slowly slowing Earth down. Every year, our days get about 1.7 milliseconds longer because of tidal friction. Without the moon's braking force, Earth would spin faster over geological timescales. Millions of years from now, days could shrink dramatically. Stronger Coriolis forces would mean more violent winds, more extreme storm systems. The atmosphere would shift in behavior. Weather would grow more aggressive. Human circadian rhythms, evolved around 24 hours, would struggle if planetary timing eventually changed. It's subtle at first, but profound in the long run. The night sky goes dark, the moon reflects sunlight. It makes nights navigable. Without it, nights become dramatically darker. This affects nocturnal predators, migratory birds, sea turtle hatchlings, coral reef spawning. Human psychology. Moonlight is deeply embedded in evolutionary memory. In mythology, in religion, in art, in poetry, in our biological rhythms, the cultural shock alone would be immeasurable. A sky we've looked at for 200,000 years, suddenly missing its brightest feature. Humanity would feel smaller, more alone. Could we survive? Here's the truth. Humanity would not instantly go extinct. We are adaptable. Technology buffers, environmental shifts, but long-term instability would challenge us like nothing before. Food systems would need redesigning. Climate engineering might become necessary. Coastal infrastructure would need rebuilding. Marine biodiversity loss would impact global supply chains. The absence of the moon wouldn't kill us tomorrow, but it would change the trajectory of life on Earth forever. The accident that saved us, the moon, was born from violence. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with early Earth. The debris formed the moon. That catastrophic accident gave Earth stable seasons, calm rotational tilt, strong tides, a predictable climate. Without the moon, life as we know it may never have emerged. It is not decoration. It is planetary scaffolding, which makes you realize something extraordinary. We exist because of a cosmic accident, and we survive because of a silent guardian hanging 384,400 kilometers above us. So the next time you see the moon, understand that it is not just beautiful, it is essential, and without it, Earth would never be the same.